Hello everybody, welcome. I am the old food guy and I've been to Aldi's today. Something nice and simple. Something I've never tried before. Show you what I got. Sticky spare rib pies. They're new. Not Aldi, sorry, did I say Aldi? Iceland, got them from Iceland. So let's open them up, see what they look like. That's it there. Shortbread. Short crust, I mean. Getting me words all muddled up today. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do it in the air fryer. It says, wherever the instructions are to cook them, 30 to 40 minutes in the oven. So I'm going to do it in the air fryer, in the Aldi air fryer. I'm going to do it for 20 minutes and we'll check. So let's get it in the air fryer. Right then, get the air fryer. I'm going to get the air fryer on, 200 degrees. I'm going to stick it in, nice and easy. And I'm going to put it in for 20 minutes. And I'm going to check after 10. Start. There we go, nice simple one. And we'll see what happens with it. £2 these were, I mean there's the ingredients on it all. If it's any good to you. Say £2, new. Sticky spare ribs, luxury. So we'll give them a go. Chinese New Year special edition. Oh, Chinese New Year special edition. Okay. Well, I'll wait for them to cook. Then I'll bring you back. Right, that's been in 10 minutes now. So let's have a quick look. Oh, okay. That's looking nice. I don't think it's done yet. No, it's a bit soft at the side. Looks like it might explode though. Looks nice, doesn't it? Might only give it another 5 minutes and we'll see. Let's stick it back on. And I'll check again in 5. Well, that's been in another 5 minutes now. Now let's have a look. Okay. Looking nice. I think that might be done. It's going to be boiling up, that is. Yeah, I think that's done. Well, it's done on the outside. I don't know if it's done on the inside. So let's get it out. Right then. It looks nice. I mean, look. Very hot. Let's take it out of the thing. See if it's cooked inside. Oh yes, all bits soft, falling apart. Oh, well, it's all fell apart. It's definitely cooked though. It's definitely cooked. Lovely. Looking nice. Let's give it a cut anyway. Get the big knife. I mean, you probably won't need your knife, but it's flaked away. Just disintegrated, look. There's the meat. Right then, let's try it then. So it looks nice. There's the meat. Oh wow, oh that's very nice. Let's cut a bit more up. Let's try some, oh wow. Oh, that's lovely. A bit of meat. There it is. That is stunning. Absolutely stunning. Oh wow. Try again. Oh my god. I never thought that'd be that nice. I never thought that'd be that nice, honestly. That's probably one of the best pies I've ever tasted. Oh wow. Absolutely wow. £2, Iceland. Oh my god. Spare rib pie. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. That's definitely 100% thumbs up from me. 100%. Jesus. I mean, it fell apart. Show you. I mean, it fell apart, look, but it's absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Bit more. Jesus. That's gorgeous. As I say, brilliant that was. Absolutely brilliant. Well done, Iceland, for that one. That's superb. As I say, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. The pie, lovely, absolutely gorgeous. So leave me a comment if you want me to try anything. I'm up to all ideas. Anything cheap. Till the next time, we'll see you later. Bye bye. Spare rib pie. Bit more. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. Can't go wrong. You just can't go wrong. Bye bye.